Hey guys, this is a bidet for the toilet, and then you can see it here. This is of the stainless steel, comes in a nice packing. Here is like the different parts that all supplies comes within with. So I'm just putting all the parts all together so that you can see it. This is the instruction. This is like the parts list, which parts are here. So for example, here is the spray, that is like the stainless steel spray. So I'm just showing you the quality of it, and then you can see it as one here. Same like with the second part here, like you can see this, it is on and off shut like valve on the switch, and then there's a pipe. So all these parts, so whatever is mentioned is here available. All screws, holder, you can see like all the supplies. These are the other parts like the Teflon tape and other stuff like the wall. Here is the instruction how you can fix it with your toilet seat. So like there is a holder on the side and then the tubes. I can show like how to assemble this tube and with the tube, but in the toilet because I cannot put like the camera there, so it is pretty easy because there is a T given, so you can just add in the T and then add in the bidet and it can be held in your toilet seat. So here is the pipe. It's a flexible steel pipe, and you can just fix the sprayer here. Pretty much there is a valve and you can put the valve and then fix it here. It's pretty easy, like with the hands you can just fix it. I'm just following the instruction provided. Here you can see there is a black valve inside, so I will just add up the T. So here it's like just I'm adding the